Hello, everybody. I wish you a happy new year. Here's my first 2024 video. It's on the tube lending platform Peerberry. I now have almost 6,000 euros, in dollars 6,500. I earned 526 euros in 2023, and now I have a passive income of 50 euros per month. I invested 2,600 euros this year, and I will probably still invest in 2024, but not as much because I want to have more diversification. The late payments are still near zero. In my case, and as usual, in case of default, Peerberry will pay for you. In 2024, Peerberry planned to onboard at least 10 new lenders to satisfy the investors' needs. Due to new regulations, Peerberry can't offer loans funded by two-poop investors in Poland. While some interpret the law differently, Peerberry has explored legal options to comply. Delisting Polish loans reduces Peerberry's management by your 17 million, comprising 17 of assets, causing short-term cash drag. Aventis Group, anticipating this, introduce a new business loan with a 3-6-month term and a 9s interest rate, replacing Polish loan volumes. These funds will finance portfolios of newly launched companies in emerging markets like Mexico, Colombia, South Africa, Nigeria, and Tanzania. Aventis, while expanding, struggles to meet investor demand. To manage costs and lower risk, interest rates will decrease, benefiting investors with the strongest buyback and group guarantee. Expect reduced loan supply and interest rates on Peerberry soon. My portfolio on Peerberry will diversify into loans from Romania, the Czech Republic, Spain, and potentially new business loans. I'm still confident on Peerberry. However, diversification is crucial. I'm invested in Esketit, Mintos, CrowdPeer, FinTown, and RoboCash, platforms meeting expectations and fulfilling obligations. If you like or learned something, please subscribe to help this channel. Bye-bye.